Jingle bell.
We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. Okay. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas Day 2. How funky fresh. So today it is, god dang, it is a very gloomy day here in Texas. So I thought, what is more cozy than making a gingerbread house? So that is what we'll be doing today. Don't mind my appearance, because that is not what we're focusing on. We are focusing solely on the gingerbread house. But here's the thing. I couldn't just make any kind of gingerbread house, you know? Had to make one that's on trend. So where do you go for things that are on trend? Pinterest, yes. So I got inspiration. Here's my inspiration. So I pride myself in being pretty crafty, so I do think I can do this. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, I decided to get a little bit closer because I felt like I was all the way, I don't even know. It felt far away. So this gingerbread house is quite small. I didn't realize it when I bought it. That's probably why it was only $7. But am I dumb or does something not add up? Yeah, see, I'm dumb. So, okay, right? Yes. Okay, I understand now. I get the geometry of it. So it came with red and white. It didn't come with much white, but since I wanted to do something cute, I made pink and green. The pink's super bright. It was supposed to be more pastel, but can't go back now. So we're just gonna work with that. I saw this thing where you could just hot glue your gingerbread house, because I hate gingerbread. I don't ever eat these. Plus it's kind of gross because your hands are all over them. But I don't have hot glue. So we're going with the traditional way. Wake up. Okay. This is never gonna stay. It's never gonna stay. Oh my god. Let me put it together and I'll get back to you. Here's the thing. Do you remember when I was using these for the sides? This is the roof. But I needed some reinforcements. So, who did I call? 1-800-OSCAR. He's here. He put this together. And what did I say earlier? I pride myself on being crafty. Yeah, right. Anyways, it's coming together with a little help. You know, you always need a little help. So he's gonna help me put the roof on. I think I better do this before this thing falls apart. Okay, this is gonna be my front. It looks a lot better. So I'm gonna try to do the little design on the front of the house. I need to make some blue frosting, just some blue, like light blue. I don't know if a girl made this, I'm just assuming. And my icing's coming out the top. This is a mess. This is a mess. Ew. Ew. It's so sticky. Okay. So she has a line going like across. Why is it doing that? Why? Why? Why did it do that? Okay. Then it's like a V and then down. Pew. Pew. Okay. No. Okay. Oh. Not good. That is not good. Okay. And it has little windows. God, I need to wash my hands. Hold on. Okay. I did one window. I think instead of doing another window, I'm gonna do like a little drawn in Christmas tree. So I made some like minty. Oh no. Honestly, this tree is gonna be cute. Ooh. Okay, okay. I need something to like spread it out. We'll worry about that in a minute. But I'm gonna use some of these little sprinkles as little, you know what they're called. Ornaments, yes, that's the word. That looks terrible. Who am I thinking? Why did I think I was the cake boss? Okay, I take back everything I said about being crafty because this is bad. So we're gonna... Oh my god, it looks like Rosie made this. Rosie's my dog, by the way. So, that just gives you some perspective. Oh no! My wall! My walls aren't standing up. Oh no. Oh no. This is help. I need somebody help. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Oh shh. Hold on. Okay, I pulled myself together. We're gonna try again. I'm gonna use the back instead of the front because look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna do some little like bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, okay. I've also brought a napkin so I could tidy myself because I look like a mess. And then I'm gonna do some border right here just to clean up the shingles, you know. Ooh, I'm such a construction girl. Okay, yeah, it's looking better. It's looking better. Rosie, it's my time to shine, girl. Can someone tell me why my walls are collapsing? And then we're gonna do a pink window because I feel like it's just needed. Okay, I'm gonna take my knife, has icing all over it, and wow, wow, I'm speechless, just wow. And then we're gonna do some white detailing. Bloop, bloop. Oh, it looks awful. I'm not even gonna say it looks good at this point. It looks awful, but we're gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. So then I'm gonna do a Christmas tree because I feel like that's appropriate. Does it look like a Christmas tree? Nah, not one bit. We're gonna spread it out though. Looks bad. I forgot I had the red. I'm gonna do a red door. Why does that, why does it do that? Y'all, they need to make some better ginger, it was $7. I don't know why I'm complaining. It was $7. At this point in my life, I wish, oh no, I don't think that's good. At this point in my life, I wish I could tell you I was like completely joking, but I'm not. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. No, the front. The front?
Why is it so crooked?
I don't know. What would you rate it? 1 out of 10?
I have nothing to compare it to.
Here, this is the picture I was trying to look at.
Yeah, no, don't compare it to that.
Honestly,
You know what? I know this is pretty hard, so probably a...
Tell me.
A 7.
Oh my gosh! 7's good. It's not that good, he's lying. But here it is. I think that'll be all because I've quite embarrassed myself today. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe so you can see another video tomorrow. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Happy Vlogmas. Ho ho ho.